Being part of the quality team inside of a manufacturing company can be a hard job. And having additional data about what is happening during production can really help quality determine where the problems are coming from and what issues you have. It's your job to ensure that the parts that are being coming off of these machines and lines and cells are of a good high quality. And if they're not, obviously it's going to ruin your reputation in the market, your reputation for the company in the marketplace, and people don't want to buy a low quality product. So any help you can get to ensure that we're making a high quality product and we're not going to have any problems is really a good thing. And this is where sensor tracks can really help and come into play because we can gather scrap reason codes, scrap categories off of the lines and machines, so you can understand using Pareto charts and different analysis inside of the software what are your biggest quality problems at a pretty high level. And then in addition to that, you could look at process data coming off the lines and machines to really understand where specifically that problem came from. So for example, if a temperature or a pressure or something was too high or too low when that product was made, maybe there's an ongoing issue on the machine. Maybe you can request, changes in the settings on the machines to make a higher quality product. Even potentially flagging or failing parts when you see process data go above and below certain control limits or even trend towards it so that the inspection rates are a little bit higher. So really giving you the data to solve, these problems and focus your efforts on where the quality issues really are so you know where to spend your time.